Wala naman kaming ano eh. Actually, nag-usap kami. Sabi niya, we're good ha. Don't worry. Sabi niya sa akin. Wala kaming naging ano. In fact, siya nga yung isa sa mga ano, sila ni SP Soto yung nagpo-push sa akin na pumalit as Blue Ribbon na talagang sabi ko, I respectfully declined. I said that there are colleagues who are more capable. So, sila nga yung nandun. Pero
sure ba yung sentiment ng majority ma-retain si Ping as Blue Ribbon?
may mga individual interviews lang naman ako narinig. Si Sen Kiko, Sen Sherwin, kasi the others are, I don't know, they're not out of town. So, hindi ko rin sila nakikita. Hindi rin namin sila, hindi kami kakausap recently. So, konti lang kami nandito ngayon every budget hearing.
But as for you, sir, would it be better na balik na lang si Sen Ping as BRC chair?
Kasi again, there are no takers eh. No, talagang to be permanent BRC chair.
And you support it, sir? Or you have
as I've said, we're okay. Wala naman kami naging masamang tinapay. Wala kami naging masamang pinagsamahan. In fact, I had, again, yung last conversation that I had with Sen Ping, meron ako mga sinuggest na mga paimbita.